Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach what is the chemical reaction. Student, in the chemical change, new things are formed. So question is, when such thing is formed, what is their name? Suppose that when milk change into the curd, this is the chemical change. So this process is known as the chemical reaction. Okay, with the help of chemical reaction, we easily represent such process by the help of reaction. Okay, so student, when a chemical change takes place in matter, we commonly say a chemical reaction. Because question is, when any chemical change occurs, then how we become represent, how we become write in the copy? With the help of chemical reaction. Okay? And with the help of elements, with the help of their formula, we able to write the chemical reaction. So student, some character, some property who show that this is the chemical change. Because question is, when many changes occur in our daily life, so question is, how we can identify this is the chemical change or the physical change? So chemical change, when any process, when chemical change happen, then some special property develop. Okay, so student, what is the such special property? First things, evolution of gas. Student, in any chemical reaction, when any chemical change occur, then one property, evolution of gas, some gas become released. So if in any process gas become released, it means this is the chemical reaction. See, suppose student, when zinc react with the sulfuric acid, H2SO4, it form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas become released. Similarly, C is the sodium nitrate. When sodium nitrate become heat, students see is the triangle shape, is the symbol of heat. When sodium nitrate heat, it form sodium nitrite and release the oxygen gas. So student, it means this is the chemical reaction. In such process, one gas become released. After that, the second one, change of color. Student, during the physical change also their color become changed. But in the physical change, one special property, the physical change are the temporary change. Mean after some time, their color become reverse. Okay. But in the chemical change, when one type their color become changed, it become not reverse. Okay. So this is the chemical change. So what is the second property of chemical reaction? Change of color. Okay. See friend, is the lead oxide, red lead. Okay. When we become heat, it form lead monoxide and release oxygen gas. And during such process, the red color change into yellow color. Red color change into yellow color. Clear? Second step, see, is the copper carbonate. Student, when copper carbonate heat, it change into the copper oxide and release carbon dioxide. But one very important thing, in such process, the copper carbonate is a green color. After heating, when it converted into the copper oxide, their color become changed, green to black. Okay, it means this is the chemical reaction. So student, in the first we study about the evolution of gas, means in the chemical reaction gas become released. Second, change of color, means their color become changed. Okay. Third one, formation of precipitate. Student, what is the precipitate? One example, suppose that if you take one glass milk, okay, and add a few drop of vinegar or lemon juice and shake it. Take 1 glass hot milk, add some few drop of vinegar or the lemon juice and shake it. What you can see that? You can see that the milk convert into the cluster form. It forms some cluster, and such cluster become deposit on the base of the glass. Okay, this is the precipitate. Means in such process, when two liquid chemical react together, okay, after reaction, a solid material deposit on the base. A solid material deposit on the base. Clear? And one other liquid on the upside is the precipitate. So what is the example of the precipitate? See, when silver nitrate. What is the name? Silver nitrate, AgNO3. When silver nitrate is the colorless solution, when it reacts with the sodium chloride, it also is the colorless solution. It forms sodium nitrate, colorless solution, and silver chloride in the white PPT. Means when in the test tube, if you take the mixture of silver nitrate and NaCl, sodium chloride, after reaction, a solid material deposit on the base of the glass. This base is the white PPT. Is the silver chloride, and we got one colorless solution. This is the sodium nitrate. Clear? Second example, cysteine is the ferrous sulfate. Is the light green color. When it reacts with the sodium hydroxide, is the colorless solution. It forms sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate is the colorless solution, and we got iron oxide is the dirty green PPT. Dirty green PPT means when in any reaction, when PPT become formed, it means it also is a chemical reaction. So students, these are the some characteristics when anything become happen. It is not compulsory each and every in one reaction all the process become occur. In the some process maybe the gas become released, some process their color become changed, some process it form the precipitate. Okay, so if anything become happen means this is the chemical change. This is the property of chemical change. We easily identify this is the chemical change. Okay student, so the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.